Hey guys, what is up? Just want to do another quick recap on my trades today. Today I had a rather short watch list. I had just a few on here for breakouts, and that's something I've been trying to do is just minimize what I have, just to kind of simplify things at the open. This way I'm not distracted. I'm focused on just one or two stocks, and then if I miss any of those, I'll do reversals if I catch anything. Today I had X, MOS, and Walmart on my watch list. I was looking at X for a breakdown and the loss of PDC. It had a 50-minute range, and I am continuing to do this where I will enter a position, kind of read the price action on the fly, and I will bank some of these profits with small partials. It just helps me with psychology and helps me hold the trade longer. So as X broke down, I shorted it right at the loss of PDC, partialed. As it hit S3, I turned the pivots on after the fact because the pivots are a place that I typically take a partial as well. And it hovered around S3. I did get all out at this high volume candle here. Normally, this is how I would take a parabolic reversal. On the third candle, I will look for a volume push or a stop, and then you'll see the momentum swing in the opposite direction. And it did eventually break S3 and make it down to 25.26, but at that point I was already out. And the other trade I took was a reversal on Disney. That was not on my watch list, but it was on a scanner that I created using Trade Ideas. And I'm really enjoying the larger time frames, especially the 15-minute for reversals. And in this case here, like I said, it wasn't on my watch list. If you look at the daily, though, it did hit the 9 moving average. But what I liked here was this candle right here. High volume, rejection, fake break. And I took it just a little bit late because I caught it out of the corner of my eye. And I shorted it, added into the position. Let me see where I am on the 1 minute. Yeah, typically I would take a reversal up here. Or if we have like an engulfing candle. But I did wait to R4. You see it kind of lost R4. And I added into it. This little move here scared me. But as it lost R4, just watching the price action, and the tape and the L2, I added back into it again, partial, and then eventually all out on R3. I don't know where this did. Yeah, that was the lowest spot as of today. And that was it for my trades today. So I'm ending green, just about 4R for the day. And I think one of the biggest changes over the last little while for me is just being comfortable reading price action, learning different setups, learning what doesn't work in specific markets, whether the market is ranging. I tend to do better with reversals, or obviously if it's trending, it won't hold those levels. So I've kind of adapted and added in the additional strategies, pinpoints, and breakouts, as well as just simplifying everything. Even with my scanner, I have just a few windows now, trading my style, my setups, and it's made a world of a difference. And that's it. Anybody has any questions, please leave it in the comments or subscribe, shoot me a DM, and that's it. Hope everybody had a good trading day, and I will see you later.